Have you ever wandered into a place so full of color and fragrance that time seemed to pause? That's what a floral journey through Venice, Florida feels like. Tucked along Florida's Gulf Coast, this peaceful town offers more than just sunny skies and sandy shores. It's a hidden paradise for flower lovers and garden wanderers. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or just someone who stops to smell the roses, Venice is bursting with botanical beauty. The city's warm, subtropical climate makes it a haven for year-round blossoms, from radiant hibiscus lining neighborhood streets to exotic orchids hiding in shaded corners of local nurseries. Start your floral exploration at one of the local farmers markets, where freshly cut bouquets and handmade floral arrangements speak volumes about the town's passion for flowers. Chat with local growers, and you'll discover rare native species like the firebush or passionflower, and how these plants thrive in Venice's unique environment. Then, take a scenic walk through the gardens and parks scattered throughout the city. Centennial Park, with its vibrant landscaping, invites visitors to relax under the palms while admiring seasonal blooms. For a deeper dive, head to local nurseries like Garden of Venice or Island Garden Shop, where you can immerse yourself in tropical plants, get tips from experts, and even take a bit of the floral magic home with you. The beauty of Venice's floral culture isn't just in its plants, it's in the community. Locals decorate their homes with pride, businesses display artful arrangements at their entrances, and seasonal festivals like the Venice Garden Club Tour celebrate nature's colorful gifts. Planning your visit in spring will reward you with blooming jacarandas and azaleas painting the town in shades of purple and pink. But no matter the season, flowers are always part of the story here. So, if you're planning a visit to Florida and crave something beyond the usual beach day, why not indulge in a colorful escape? After all, when was the last time you let flowers lead your adventure? What's your favorite bloom to discover when you travel?